Hello guys, so you're welcome to this channel and thanks very much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'm going to reply within some few hours. Watch the video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of it. Let's start. Yo guys, today we're going to learn how to fix YouTube Vanced problem. Do you get me? So let's fix YouTube Vanced App Problem. So what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. So when you go to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search or look for Play Store app. When you see it, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, this is what you're going to see on your mobile phone screen. So what you have to do next is for you to click on the search bar at the top over here where it's written search apps. So click over there. So what you have to do is to type in YT Vanced App or YT Vanced or YouTube Vanced App. So let's type in YT Vanced App. So when you type in YT Vanced App, it means YouTube Vanced App. You get me? YT means YouTube. So what you have to do is to search for the app. So as you can see, the first app is the YouTube Vanced App. We also have YouTube Vanced App, which is the second one. But in this video, I'm gonna focus much on the first one because that's what I've already installed. You can also use this one. It's also a YouTube Vanced App. Do you get me? You can also use this one. Tuber Pure Vanced. So in this video we are going to use this one. So what you have to do is, if you are finding problem on your Vanced app, what you have to do is to tap on the update section over here in the green color. As you can see, just tap on it on your phone. But when you see open in the green color over here, it means you've already updated your app. But if you've not updated, you have to update it by clicking on the green tab over here where they've written open. Yours will be update when you've not updated. Do you get me? Yeah. So as you can see over here, it says open, which means I've already updated it. So what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu again and look for your settings. So you have to look for your settings. When you see the settings, what you have to do is to just click on the settings. So tap on it like this. So when you tap on settings, this is where you are going to be. So just scroll down. And when you scroll down, you are going to see app management. In other phones, it says apps and notification, and other phones too, it says only apps. Do you get me? So just tap on your app management or app and notification or also apps. So just tap on it to see all your apps. So when you come over here, what you have to do is to go to app settings. So when you go to app settings, this is where you're going to see all my apps. But in other phones, it's not app settings, it is see all apps. So when you are using other devices, you will see all apps. Just click on the see all apps. You are going to see all your apps. So when you come here, what you have to do is to search for your YouTube Vanced app that you've updated. So when you see the YouTube Vanced app, just tap on it. As you can see over here, Play Tube. So tap on the Play Tube. If yours is not Play Tube but rather YouTube Vanced or any other YouTube Vanced app, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to click on the storage and cache. So when you click on the storage and cache, you have to clear everything. So what you have to do is to clear cache. So tap on the clear cache. So when you tap on the clear cache, what you have to do next is to clear storage. So tap on the clear storage. After that, then click on OK. After that, then you go back. So when you go back, just look down below. Yeah, you are going to see force stop. So tap on the force stop. When you tap on the force stop, this is what you're going to see, or this is going to appear. So as you can see, force stop, it says if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. Just click on OK. So when you click on OK, just go back. So when you go back, go to your phone menu and tap on the YouTube Vanced app. As you can see, the YouTube Vanced App problem has been fixed, and you can now use your YouTube Vanced app. So now, as you can see, it's working correctly. So you can be watching your video, doing whatever you want to do with your YouTube Vanced app. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye.